What's the first thing to do? Take out the minus sign. I thought you want to put in the minus sign. Take out the minus sign means what? Is it the negative 2 you are talking about, or is it the negative half? Or you change to square root? Also can, but you make things complicated. Like that. Is this what you do? After that? Don't know already. Now what? There are two things you can do. One is you sub in the negative 1. Not sub in, you expand inside. Kunj? Are you looking at me? You put in the negative, you put in the negative 1, you expand inside. So what is the answer, Kunj? Waiting for you. G to the power of negative 2, then 2, good. So G square H minus 2, 25 minus 1, right? Then what happened after that? Don't know. Change the 25 to 5 squared, okay. After that, factorize the 2 out. Also can. After that, take out the square and the square root. So you get G H minus 1 over 5 minus 1. After that, because simplify usually is positive power, so you need to do something to the negative 1. Switch side. So what do you write? 5 over GH. Wrong. Because the G is power 1. Don't touch the G. Because the G is power 1. So you need to understand this. G is one item. Kunj. H is one item. Kunj. 5 negative 1 is one item. There are 3 separate items altogether. So you touch. Do you touch G or not? No. G stays on top. Because G is positive already. Is it very clear? Okay. So the answer is G 5 minus 8. Sorry. 5G over H. Just like that. Oh, so something wrong. Oh. Yeah, answer wrong. Answer is 5G over H. But I also want to show you there are a lot of ways to do question 8. Can. First way is to times in the negative half. So Kunj, look. Do this, can. In the end, maybe only 2 marks. Another way is the negative half can straight away multiply inside or not. Answer is yes. You press your calculator. This one will give you 1. This one will give you minus 1. This one will give you 5 minus 1. Then the answer is just 5G over H. Do you follow? Easier method. Answer key is wrong. Okay. Which one cannot? The first one can. No, do I get? No. Both also can. But this one is shorter. Do you know how I get the first one? G. Do you know how I get the first one? Take calculator, press -2 times -half. You get 1. Press. Take our calculator, 2 times -half. -1. Take our calculator, 5 to the power of -half. 5 to the power of -1. Or 1 over 5. You won't get 5 to the power of -1. You will get 1 over 5. You will get 5. You get 5. So straight away 5 on top. Okay, you want to get this, right? You want to get this, right? Can I slow down a step for you? Can I write something on top? Agree or not? What happened? Agree or not? This is G1, H -1. But how do I write on top? This is 5 square times this. Do you see now, Zahira? 5 square, because 25 is 5 square. So you take 2 times -half, then you get -1. 2 times -half, then you get -1. Then after -1, what happened? There are 3 items altogether. G stays, H change place, 5 change place. Become like that. Easy. Max is easy, remember?